Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, another morning at Oz Canopies and 4x4. I'm getting a little different one today of 4 years, because I know you guys are tired of seeing steel canopies fitted on whatever make and model we're fitting it on. So we're going to get a Towbar, a BTA Towbar from our partners at BTA, fitted on this Toyota RAV4. Going to get into the nitty-gritty details of it, so we may as well get into it. Alrighty guys, as you can see, all done and dusted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the fitting process. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos, bunch of tow bars, bunch of canopies, bunch of other bits and pieces, basically everything that we do that are in the pipeline. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I think those are the legal requirements when you have a YouTube channel, the stuff that you have to say. Anyway, so the finished product, you can see, self-explanatory. In this particular case, the customer actually requested the 7-pin plug to be separate, just due to the fact that they're not going to be using it very often. Typically, this would be mounted to the bar. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed all the nitty-gritty details of getting this BTA tow bar fitted to this Toyota RAV4. Other than that, Chris, signing off.